you're experiencing crashing issues while trying to install Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the game. Visit the official website for the specific requirements and compare them with your system specifications. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes during installation. Go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your hardware. Step 3. Disable background applications. Background applications can interfere with the installation process. Close any unnecessary programs, especially those that may use system resources such as web browsers, streaming services, or other games. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the installation file and select Run as Administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that might be causing the installation to crash. Step 5. Verify game files. If you are using a game launcher like Battle.net or Steam, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may resolve the crashing issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the crashing issue during the installation of Call of Duty. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.